Fresh meals, crispy snacks, and faster cooking can completely change your kitchen routine. Best air fryer models now deliver healthier frying, quick heating, and easy cleanup while saving time on busy days. From compact designs to family-size options, the right pick makes everyday cooking simple, flavorful, and convenient. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Cosori 450° Fahrenheit Air Fryer. The Cosori 450° Fahrenheit Air Fryer stands out as a powerful and modern appliance designed to make everyday cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient. One of its biggest strengths is the innovative TurboBlaze technology, which combines a high-speed 3600 RPM fan with temperatures reaching up to 450° Fahrenheit. This combination creates exceptionally crispy exteriors while maintaining juicy and tender interiors, making it ideal for cooking everything from chicken wings and fries to vegetables and seafood. The advanced 5-speed fan system provides greater control over airflow, ensuring consistent cooking results across a wide variety of recipes. Unlike many traditional air fryers, the precise temperature range from 90° Fahrenheit to 450° Fahrenheit allows for both gentle cooking and high-heat crisping. The spacious 6-quart square basket is another major advantage, offering enough room for family-sized portions without taking up excessive counter space. Users who prioritize healthier cooking will appreciate the PFAS-free ceramic coating, which provides a durable non-stick surface without relying on questionable chemicals.
Number 2. Emeril 26QT Air Fryer. The Emeril 26QT Air Fryer offers far more than standard air frying, functioning as a versatile multi-cooker that can easily handle everything from simple snacks to large family meals. Its massive 26-quart capacity makes it particularly attractive for households that regularly cook for multiple people or entertain guests. Unlike compact basket-style air fryers, this model provides oven-style functionality, allowing users to roast, bake, toast, and air fry in a single appliance. The dual-speed fan system circulates superheated air throughout the cooking chamber, creating evenly cooked foods with a crispy texture and golden finish. One of its standout features is the dedicated toast function, which automatically shuts off when the selected toasting cycle is complete, helping prevent overcooking and burnt bread. The elegant stainless steel exterior gives the appliance a premium appearance that complements modern kitchens, while the French door design adds both style and convenience. Opening both doors with a single pull provides easy access to food and enhances the overall user experience. The interior light is another thoughtful addition, allowing users to monitor cooking progress without opening the doors and losing heat. The spacious interior can accommodate larger dishes that would not fit in traditional air fryer baskets, making it useful for casseroles, roasted meats, pizzas, and baked goods.
Number 3. Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. The Ninja AF101 air fryer has earned a strong reputation for delivering reliable performance in a compact and easy-to-use design. Featuring 4 versatile cooking modes, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it offers impressive flexibility for everyday meal preparation. The wide temperature range of 105° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit allows users to handle a variety of cooking tasks, from slowly dehydrating fruits and vegetables to quickly crisping frozen foods and freshly prepared meals. One of the most appealing benefits is its ability to reduce fat consumption by up to 75% compared to traditional deep frying methods, while still producing crispy, satisfying results. The 4-quart basket is sized well for small families, couples, or individuals, comfortably holding up to 2 pounds of French fries or similar portions. The ceramic-coated basket and crisper plate help prevent sticking while also simplifying cleanup. Number 4. Martha 34QT Air Fryer. The Martha 34QT Air Fryer is designed for households that need maximum cooking capacity and exceptional versatility from a single countertop appliance. With its impressive 34-quart interior, this model functions more like a compact oven than a traditional air fryer, easily accommodating 6 slices of toast, a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or large family-sized meals. Powered by a robust 1700-watt heating system and 5 stainless steel heating elements, It delivers rapid preheating and consistent heat distribution for efficient cooking. The dual-speed convection fan further enhances performance by promoting even airflow, helping foods develop crisp exteriors and thoroughly cooked interiors. One of its strongest selling points is the selection of 12 preset cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, pizza, slow cook, dehydrate, reheat, and more. These presets simplify meal preparation while expanding the appliance's usefulness well beyond basic air frying.
Number 5. Chefman Nonstick Air Fryer. The Chefman Nonstick Air Fryer is a feature-rich appliance that combines fast cooking performance with user-friendly convenience. Designed to produce crispy, flavorful foods with significantly less oil than traditional frying methods, it provides a healthier way to enjoy favorites such as French fries, chicken wings, mozzarella sticks, and vegetables. One of the standout features is its 4-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, bake, reheat, and the innovative frozen mode. This specialized setting first defrosts frozen foods before crisping them, helping achieve better texture and more consistent results. The touchscreen control panel is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to adjust cooking times and temperatures based on different recipes. Temperature settings reach up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for standard cooking, while the dedicated HI Fry feature boosts heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the final minutes of cooking to create an attractive golden brown finish. Another practical feature is the automatic shake reminder, which alerts users halfway through cooking to ensure even crisping without requiring additional timers. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.